Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and today we are going to learn how to configure a system monitoring tool named Prometheus, okay? And we are going to configure this on Ubuntu 22. So let's start the terminal. So I just open the terminal. I'm going to zoom it. So let's zoom this terminal. Okay, after this, what you need to do, we need to check that whether this Prometheus software is already installed or not. So just check it by running this command Prome, okay, Prometheus dash dash version, and it's telling that command not found, but we can but can be installed with sudo apt install Prometheus. So just copy this and paste it here and install it. Asking the password for user Satish, type the password for user Satish. So this is a 280 MB file. Just press Y for yes and install the package. So we are going to install the package. Okay, so this is a very nice system monitoring tool, and you can install this on Ubuntu 22. So you can see that we have installed it. After installation, let's check the version again. So now you can see the version is available here, 2.31. okay, so this is available. That means it has been installed. Now we can clear this screen using clear command. Then again, if you want to launch this application, simply you can type this command, but the best way is to check. Okay, the best way to check this application is you can open the browser and you can check it. But before that, I will suggest you to allow the port in the firewall. So if you have firewall enabled, I am going to allow the port. So sudo ufw allow, and the port number for this is 9090, and this is TCP port / TCP. So I have allowed this tool in the firewall. Now you can check the status, sudo systemctl status and the name of the application, that is Prometheus. So it's telling that service could not be found. Okay, so let's check systemctl status. Okay, there is a spelling mistake here. Here it's E, Prometheus. Okay, and you can see it is active and running. It is active and running. So it means it's successfully running in your system. Press Ctrl C, then clear the screen. Check your IP address, or you can launch this on your like loopback address. Like, so you can suppose open the browser. You can open any browser and type here 127.0.0.1 port number 9090. okay, and here it is. You can see this. In this way we are going to open this software. So this software is available here. We can easily open this software, and you can use this for monitoring graphs, and you can configure this. So I will I will show you how to configure it later in the next video, the detailed diagram and detailed configuration of this tool, this monitoring tool. But here you can see this software is running. You can also open this on IP address. So it means if you have the IP address, check your IP address, sudo if config. Okay, check your IP address. IP address is 192.168.29.117. So just type this in the browser, 117 IP, 192.117 IP, port number 9090, and it's running on the IP also. So you can run this on loopback address, or you can run this on your IP address. Okay, so even you can go to Windows machine and you can try to run this from your Windows browser. So let's try this 192. So I am on a different machine. Okay, and I am trying 9090. So you can see you can even monitor it remotely. Okay, you can use this Prometheus software remotely for system monitoring and monitoring the whole system, whole Ubuntu server. Okay, whether it is DHCP, DNS, whatever services running on that process, everything using this system monitoring tool, even remotely on Windows also. Okay, so now you can see if you want to stop the services, you can also stop the services. How to stop the services? I told you. If you want to stop the services, let me open the terminal first. Okay, if you want to stop the services, you can easily stop the services. How to stop the services? Sudo systemctl stop and the name of the tool. Okay, the password, and the software has been stopped. If you want to check, you can check the status by running the command, status command. Okay, status, and you can see it's inactive. Okay, it's not active, it's dead. So now if you want to start it, you can also start it by running this command. In place of status, you just type start, and now you can check the status again, and now you can see it's running, it's active. So in this way you can install, you can restart, you can start, you can stop the service, and you can open this system monitoring tool named Prometheus. Okay, so if you have any problem regarding this, if you want a detailed configuration of this tool, you can just comment me, and if I have more comments, then I will upload advanced tutorial on this system monitoring tool. Okay, so thank you for watching. Stay here, take care.